Mami ma akwaba emfa obra Ghana and TV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also so that anytime you post a video, be say you will be kebi. It was for abai wa your friend no R0sɛmond obɛng no. I say ono say a whole week twem na obi anka na asem na say onka asem bi a ye be yi na no a enye ne de o. I mean, from the look of things, so it appears. Because tell me how else asema bana obi aka say debi we the NDC for anya ni ye NDC for anya ni ye no. Lady we die. Osan di na no abetu na paska ya. R0sɛmond obɛng say if you are fighting the tribunal bill, you are either an enemy of the state or you have crimes to hide. Ghana deserves accountability. R0sɛmond. Davi. Okay, onye Davi, because Obing the onya igbeni mi danya kupon so onya igbeni. By the way, we say it's on a lighter note, right? But on a more serious note, R0sɛmond is saying, say, Obi bia o sorry editia kind of say tribunal bill bia no, or either an enemy of the state or nipa has crimes too. Hide. Look, R0sɛmond. Maybe you don't know the history of this country. Anybody who knows the history of this country knows why whenever we hear the word tribunal, we are worried. And if as a presidential staffer, you are not abreast with the history of this nation, and then we have a serious issue. We all know the way our tribunal system was abused. Yeah, we all know. And we all know the way after today, there are individuals who carry the mental scars of how either they themselves, and I say omu papa, and I say omu mami bi, omu busuani bi, omu ba, or someone like that has been treated by some of these tribunals. And when you hear senior stance lawyers speak, all of them making the case against this tribunal, forcefully, your party has pushed. But look, you know something? There is history back could be our Bible, man. It keeps me going. And I say, it helps me analyze things in a particular light. And I say, make a Mordecai. Our Bible, man. I think Mordecai and Haman or something like that. Haman thought, say, I did bia oye biano, or ye the chire Mordecai nyansa. But not knowing, I did biara na onu Haman yeno, or no one never be a victim of it. In the end. And that is why NDC4 and people like R0sɛmond obɛng, because you have an appointment, so you must come out to defend everything and speak about everything, even if you have no knowledge about the thing. Because you might think, say, you are bringing forward tribunals to hurt your political opponent. But power, no, transient. Today you are in power, tomorrow you might be in opposition. And you should just pray, say, you don't become victims of the very system that you are creating. Because so long as days are passing, just almost like yesterday, we all saw the current president, John Dramani Mahama, hold the sword of state and take the oath of office. Already, no. 1 year, 6 months passed. The 7th month is about going. So no one knows. So long as there's day and night, 2028 will come. Yeah, so long as there's day and night. And today you can be in power, you can be praising all these tribunals and blah, 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 blah. But make sure that tomorrow, God willing, when the same tools are used against you, you don't come out and complain. Because when you come out and complain, videos are there. You'll be reminded of the very statements you made.
Siengo party ne ho abro asem yenka party ne ho nsem no kora eno kwa keke so yen di sinia nke bia nka mbe som no se de yesum ye nananom ahemfo se huntumi yen di sinia ya tampa pe ya ene de se enyadwo nti obi anye ko mu bi enkonkoda die ayi friends ekomoji anu omeye na President John Dramani Mahama ne ho ye me mobo se wo mampani a wabedi o mampani na Ghana ye serious contract ba na nka demonstration all over because obanfa bibia meka hwe ho and what can opposition say untumi ye ba ye beche no and oba ye no indeed udi ye adwuma ene nananom nyina didi amen nananom nyina fomo ye ma ye say eyi allowance so sika edi ma nananom no be mu atom 300% nananom nkasa ye ti Ghana ase nananom bo ama Ghana koso nananom enye bidi e wa ba mu nti omo nwene kuro ne nsuo yira famo no nananom nwene kuro no a omo nya school nkwalate enuasi ko school nananom nwene kuro no a ubekọ na hospital nkrofo da famo no because Mahama bai no wama men nananom men so sa oni pa men so a okasa ye tititia di niema bone ye koso nyina no nananom hu ensemtrofo ubekọ presidency ensemtrofo a wo abemu ebro 100 ensemtrofo ya form across the country omo abemu bro 100 obi aso ankasa de koso na efe ene CSOC oso ye CSO so contract kura no a odididi mempeche oso ye CSO oso ande enko civil society de koso omanum na odi oka ho asem na kwasi broni apekakra de abetua ne ka enam nyina gigi contract ma yekum MPP obi ayama na media Papa Rich de make kan say se nyame ya dom na wo na wanya wo ba eno nkire se wo mu biem ena se nsuo nso fawo na se Papa Rich udi mirika ewura nsuo na wuyi abrante ana baba na maame ne besi nkonko so a eno nkire se onum nsuo biem na ya na eye ahweyiye na wo ho ena ye power pampa mu nso a yesi hweko mu dene ntie ne die MPP ye hye ko mu dene na wei emen konkoye se ye ba betena ho na MPP ababiem na ebenya na nyanto ahenefo bi etia mo chao mu na oma beka se oh yaba no adwobre o because minim papa bi a ayi ministers bi edi sika ma buru so eji do mo nim se mra no ye minister ye ntuaka as a minister ena ye ntuaka as an MP but enkrofo wei ehwe nyankopon anim ehwe adwenbone ne abonanim eji double salary ye de ye campaign si ye ba ebechi wom ye ba ye na enya MPP penifo da na dwanto ayene etiom chaachem kopa achewo ene ye ja hom so mfom nkwa nu hu ayi na Ghana fo ede to abeti ayen we ya ye ken in as much as say yen nkrofo na yi muntumi ama bebribi no esaye political persecution sabi papa ni se mobi o wanuonyam okura origin no ene ye hanu ana ni sika semba fom a sabi se sika so ne de politics enu nti ye yiri ye nkrofo ne ambetimi nyeska de abo party because ye wo position yam nyino mti said ye R0sɛmond mene so no oba ye ampanimfo bi particularly akanfo said na menua vote ken BA Mensa International Tobacco Ghana Limited R0sɛmond ni na pamfo NDC fo ya begu papa ye adwuma ye kesian Tata Breweries omoba begu na adwuma market women and traders ya across the country you go monuma about 95% no me akanfo apia minkanum eno yemi papa oni ma metokra de apino so duo ye beti en kwalabrim ni nyina no NDC fo ba begu no adaka trasenum poku transport no nyina no NDC twa omoma egu omunwuma enne yeti ho omampani kufu ba ya pe abura R0sɛmond ye de ochesu omma ematwa bi ko emema widiem amo oni omudi abura no widiem pe and okote reconciliation commission just ye de asumdwe ne ye de yepe no man mu nti enko na ye democracy ne UK fo na ye enam amene kwa ye nkrofo so adwenbon ne ewudi sem ne wo mutirim and ote ye nti se me apietu na medi obi abro me apietu na metimi odene Rawlings mene so se bia woro nkrofo yiri no pietu atwa nkrofo ma me ma hamu ma na makotro no makosua yesosole ko ye de boni achewo ene yes ha na ja eno ye de nkrofo boni chewo aya na ANODA nkwa so besisem oba ye de ye chio ena nana eyifo dwanto ahenfo etisi aguru no eno nso Ghana fo ye hu ye ahi nyina ye nkrofo na ade sika sada kaba suba aisofoton ye mama ya ni tie wi ochichi nkrofo agumi etam $500 million say oni agbangbili di ye Hope City na ye hu ba bia city ni sie eno ye jai wo mo mahama ya ni tie wi tam over 200 and something million koma eyi Akonis Dauda papa ya adwemboni ekuni say tamin so okwakusi sagreme housing eno ye ba ye eboadabridwo ye tena ho mahama nankasa sika wo diye ewo mayimu ye ba na ehwe ni din enti be ye den ena omo mfa ye say ye de sebe ye de ye ni adane eyifo eyi yeto atakwa mewi anu mama ye mo na mama ye gari na mudi nsu agusu a etu ne edidi ane yafu ye twonwa ne akwakoda enti NDC fo ne de ye kwase adwuma ewo mayimu Mobeka ya NDC ni bi eni wa obeka so help MPP na wa building capacity wa building business ye ba ye togbo afede so mampani kufo ne man ye say tam togbo afede owie ye opeso ogu ye ni mu asintu ye council of state member no simesi form me S Gracia akwa menye mahama e de ye say me ba S Gracia metwam ena papa ni singo de gu ye ni mu asise say ye mpani vehicle disika enso S Gracia ne adi na obia ya Genova atamesem na so obia gibi mahama ya adi enso obo apa begu ye ni mu asinti no orisi form Ibrahim mahama ye ne wama no homni so ya wototo pere akesi a ye gi concession akesi de man one day ye so no ye mine ne nye galamse Ibrahim mahama ye so mampani kufo na man ye say tamahama ba no asen pia ne so na dabi o ye nkoa na ye politics bi aso nyame MPP nanu ya papa bi oti asantimemu a ye NDC finance akese ani dindi Kofi Jobo se den MPP ye ba ye road akese nyina on ye di man wa ye say tam and was sponsor in NDC inti ye wa abemu no na NDC go sika ye niema doso sinye ye wa bem na se moye party se ye bede na party na nyankwa enya hodene eno nti omunya hodene na omuchiche mpanimfo no na me se omuma moko no enko mani omuma panie na omu woni ngomu yi na se mokunu ko mani na panie no wo mu yi na matwa no nso ekoso a ye mpanimfo no se nyame adom na se the next 20 years the next 40 years e beba ba mu a omu ba na omu di adwemu bie ene din ne asohye ene beba ba no mamu meyem na afosem eti Papa Rich de ekoso no mumientu aye yinwum amanya nkopon se yenya ne epe ene yakum ye nantwie anadwo dasuom ene yenyu obi nto na ayefo ena ensesi ene sebe anusin omu nyina timi befa bie na omode ko sa na de na kwakoye MPP de epe ho ano no de epe ho ano no ye ba ye wabem Papa Rich me see obi ekura security na Ghana hankwase asem ekoso onya asem ketwa ye ne control security enkwase asem ekoso onya enkwase asem ketwa mahama ene ne nkrofo okoma school ni bi ekoko ka asem resma mama obewe omu buako abrante na nko kunu ye wo security wa Ghana MPP penifo ntimi anko machine security mi ankochi obia obewe nensem troni we atena ne radio so akeke nsem fono no akeke nsem eno mo ba won say from so ni bi kan bi di favor PP because omu nyina didi na di NSS ntentrofo nyina da ne kwa NDC di ene ne ba ye me kom di ensem trofo because ye yi o man ni na sebi se ensem trofo beka bia man ye no adidi amen peche no aka bia man ye na se yetimi tira konwa mu cha enye ye ni betimi ayo man ni ye de ye se ye o man ni ye enti ensem trofo kra ye mu o mama ba ye ene me se presidency e bobo a enipa bebru 100 eno mu nyine didi men peche omo nkotena presidency nso na contract akese ye de ma omo cars akese omo to abrantie ya ni 3% pese e friend uru afu yetimi tam ka sebi di wabobra over 50 years kurentimi ntoni atama man sabrantie wa je campaign amayen ena ya ba be wini aba sebi tumi enti kwambia ndisi 4 fa so beji tumi be ma ba beje ene ye bre One you on my man who, yeah, draw my man on so I buy and crop for just some Papa Rich said you see when some tronic see, I will but Juma Gaga who gaga hene. Na Papa Ria buy a pejani bobrim, the more you do not ante achimu patemo, yet more. Nti Papa Rich nka want me uncle for your banny and number bina, yes, will bitty, joy news will bitty one when he come for. Na Brofini dear politics. Papa Rich, MPP penning for NDC many men fear redeem. Na ye ba, ya dream be. Na yet me as she and ye. Papa Rich me.
Yeah.